add money to Revolut Junior. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add money to your Revolut Junior account. So first of all you have to do is just simply type in revolut.com and you will be landed to the official website of Revolut. You can also follow the same steps in the Revolut application in your mobile device, but I'm showing you this tutorial in my web version of the Revolut account. And once you are there in the Revolut website, just log into your account using your credentials, and once you are logged into your account, just select the Revolut under 18 section from the top side of the menu. Just simply click on it since you want to add the money into your Revolut Junior account as a teen, and select the type of the account that you are using. For example, if you're using Discover Revolut under 18, just simply click on it, and if you're using the co-parenting account under the Revolut under 18 section, you can simply select that as well. So I'm going to select Discover Revolut under 18, and after that, when you're there in the under 18 section of the Revolut Junior account, in order to add the money, you need to follow these steps listed right here. So just click on the add money to your children's account instantly from your Revolut account. So since you are using the Revolut under 18 account, you need to make sure that your account is linked with your parents' account or any other guardian of yours, through which you will be able to add the amount of the money in your Revolut Junior account. And after that, on the home screen, just tap on the account selectors under 18 section account of the Revolut Junior account that you are using. And after that, just click on add money. And once you click on add money, just enter the amount of the money that you want to add from your Revolut parents' account to your Revolut under Junior account. And after that, just simply enter the amount, and after that just simply click on continue, and the money will be added into your Revolut Junior account. So this is basically how you will be able to add money to your Revolut Junior account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.